then here is the one bedroom that's on this floor. You've got a decent sized closet. You've got lots of windows and light. It's a corner here between Howard and Western. And you've got a queen size bed here. I'm sorry, full size bed, but you can fit a queen in here. So good sized room. This is, I believe, the biggest room in the house. And then we'll go up the stairs to the third floor. Hello, hello, hello. Start with the bathroom here. Second bathroom. Everything's updated. There's also a closet in the bathroom. Tiles, of course. Beautiful window here next to this Cambridge City building, which has been empty for about 10 years. Again, you got cathedral ceilings and a skylight. There are 5 skylights on the top floor. As you can see, there's lots of light. The first bedroom next to the bathroom. Again, ceiling fans, skylights, lots of light. Really good sized room. This is, I believe, the second largest room. Pretty close to the first largest room, size-wise. And then